Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Job for channel. I wish you are all safe at home. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 22nd March 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which bank has become the first bank in India to allow video KYC? So what is KYC? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. So it is a form you have to fill up while creating a new account in the bank. So which bank is it? It is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So some GK related to Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank headquarters present in Mumbai. Uday Kotak is its MD and CEO. So Kotak Mahindra Bank introduced the video Know Your Customer facility for customer opening saving account in the Kotak Mahindra Bank by Kotak 811, the bank digital banking platform. Question number 2. Writer Ratnakar Matkari, who passed away, was known for writing in which language? So he was known for writing in Marathi language, and he was from Maharashtra, and he died due to the coronavirus. Question number 3. Which state has launched its first cyber security specific accelerator program, that is Hack, for startup recently? So it is launched by Karnataka. So this program will support the mature India startup to accelerate their growth through government and market connection. So some GK to Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. Its CM is B.S. Yedurupa and governor is Bajpai Bharla. Question number 4. India Post Mumbai has released a special postal cover dedicated to whom? So India Post Mumbai has released a special postal cover for migrant worker. Question number 5. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the which president of India? So he was the 6th president of India. So why it is in news? Because President Ramnath Kovind paid homage to Sri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy at Rashtrapati Bhavan on 19 May 2020 on his birth anniversary. So he was become president from 1977 to 82. Question number 6. The government has accepted and implemented 3 important recommendations of committee which was chaired by whom relating to border infrastructure. So the committee name is D.B. Sekatkar Committee, and he was a retired lieutenant of Indian Army. Question number 7. The COVID-19 vaccine developed by firm Moderna has become the first to show positive result. Moderna is based in which country? So Moderna is based in USA, and it is present near the Cambridge. So this vaccine is considered as huge success because it is the first vaccine which has generated antibodies against the virus. So some GK related to USA. USA capital is Washington DC. Donald Trump is its president and its currency is dollar. Question number 8. Which state has decided to provide video calling facility and TV sets to the COVID-19 patient? So this is done by Madhya Pradesh. And recently Madhya Pradesh government has cancelled for conducting the 10th exam, and it is going to start the 12th exam from 8 June to 16 June. And one more thing, the Charan Paduka initiative that is also started by Madhya Pradesh government. So under this scheme, the Charan Paduka scheme, the Madhya Pradesh government will provide shoes and sandals for the migrants who are crossing the Madhya Pradesh in barefoot. So some GK to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is its CM and Lalaji Tandon is its governor. Question number 9. Hanko is a traditional practice of marking the sealed documents. This practice belongs to the Japan. So why it in news? Because in this coronavirus pandemic, it is coming in between the restriction and the work. So because everyone is working at home, but the seal are present at the office. So this is causing the trouble for Japan government. So maybe they may abandon this practice in the future. So some GK to Japan. Japan capital is Tokyo, where the Olympics is going to held in 2021, and Japan currency is Japanese yen, and its prime minister name is Shinzo Abe. Question number 10. Which country has launched its new space defense unit, Space Operations Squadron, to monitor and counter threat to country's satellite? So it is launched by Japan. Question number 11. Pinanga andamanensis is one of the critically endangered species. Which among the following trees? So Pinanga andamanensis belongs to palm. So why it is in news? Because it was primarily found in Andamans, but now the rare palm from Andaman gets the second home at Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Question number 12. Researcher of IIT Delhi along with Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology that which Indian herb can be effective against COVID-19? So it is ashwagandha. Last question of the day. Which union territory has become the COVID-19 free after recovering from all the active cases? So it is Ladakh. So these are the current affairs of today. Yesterday question answer is Gulf Mannar Marine National Park is located in Tamil Nadu. So I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.